Good morning, viewers. In view, this is a video to show Liberty City Divine Encounter Fellowship Ministries International, 6 acres long-term development plan. As indicated in the design and the walkthrough we had with the 6 acres design parcels, this is in keeping with the first phase of that 6 acres development. In view, we have Liberty City Kingdom World Plaza building. This building is approximately 95% completed. The structure, house on the ground floor, to the western side and eastern side, the entire ground floor is a state-of-the-art supermarket for members of the church and environment. Kingdom World Supermarket. Now, on the first floor, the north side is the front, right? On the east side, on the first floor, is the area that houses the restaurant area, which is in view in the video now. On the west side, on the first floor, house offices on the whole of the west side area. The center of the structure, which is in view now, house a third level, which houses the gym area. So the building structure is designed into 3 levels. And this is the first phase of Liberty City 6 acres development. This is, I'm just giving you an idea of the design. This is the east side of the structure. I'm walking towards the southern side of the structure. Which is to the back. The back design of the building is in focus. This is the area for the electrical, and as you can see, we have the meeting room, the high voltage room, right? We have the water storage tanks to the back here. But if you look at the structure, there's some rubbish on the ground that we pile up to get rid of. But in view, you will be able to get an idea as to the design of the back, which is really the southern side of the building, which is in view now. This is what the southern side of the structure looks like. This gives you an idea of the 3 levels, with the gym to the very top floor, which is the 3rd floor. You have both the offices on this side and the restaurant on the 1st floor, and the ground floor, which houses the supermarket. As I walk to the electrical room and turn to the eastern side, which is will be housing the 5,000 seater church, which is supposed to be constructed approximately within a year from now. The space in the back here is for future expansion. This is our chaos that brings the entry forward. This is the water storage area. This is all the underground electrical work here shown, and this area is the west side of the structure in view. As I walk towards the northern view of the building, which is really the front aspect. Now, the houses in view is a development done by government of approximately 120 acres of land, which is done by Terrestrial. Well, it's Terrestrial Land Development, which is done by government. Alright? This development is in its early stage of development. It's about, I would say, about 30% completed. There's another 70% with how high-rise townhouses and the like, as part of the expansion of the entire surrounding development, which is bound with our 6 acres development for Divine Encounter. This is the existing church, which will be modified when we build this new church, which is supposed to be constructed in this area in the view now. A 5,000 seater is mentioned in Liberty City 6 acres development design, right? But for now, what is constructed and shown in the video is the Kingdom World Plaza structure, which is really the first phase of our development of the 6 acres that we intend to develop. As I say, this structure is close to about 95% completed. It's just some landscaping around the building we need to complete, which will be completed within the next, I would say within the next 2 months. And the structure should be completed sometime by May to the beginning of June 2019. We started this construction of the structure roughly approximately about 5 to 6 years now, and we have completed, thanks to the Lord. So this just highlights phase 1 of the 6 acres development for Divine Encounter Fellowship Ministries International, which will be named Liberty City Divine Encounter Fellowship Ministries International, from glory to glory. And this is the end of the video of phase 1. Thank you for viewing.